Welcome to the Sienna LASFIT floor mat installation. Here are the pieces that will go in that order. A little bit crooked, but hopefully they should settle over time. Yep, these are all the pieces that will go in that order. Let's start with the passenger side. Passenger side installation. So trying to do with one hand, it's a little bit difficult, but this seems to fit very nicely. All the edges hug towards the trim, and yep, with a little bit of gentle adjustments, this fits very nicely. And this is the passenger side. Okay, that seems to work fine. Now let's do the driver side installation. If we pull our seat all the way back, this becomes a little bit easier. And then the edge goes underneath the accelerator. And yep, there's slight difficulty in aligning those knobs, the floor knobs, but the fit is pretty good. It nicely fit across all the edges, and then you would be able to just lock them in. I did have difficulty trying to get those knobs to come through and then lock. I think this section I was unable to quite lock, so I just let it come through the hole and then put there's a cap that comes over these two holes that you'll see me attach those holes at the end. So now removal of the OEM floor mat. So you unplug, and then so the edge is wedged between underneath the trim piece. Yep, that trim piece. So either try to slide out. It worked for the middle mat, but I found it difficult for others. So either try to slide out, or what you do is just pull out from the trim. So I had success by just sliding out the middle one, but it was quite difficult for the other pieces. So either try to slide it out, or put something between the trim. As I show in the future, just in a bit, where you can use a screwdriver to a little bit. So this piece I had difficulty, where I was not able to just slide out. So I just put a screwdriver and then pull this piece out. Just like pull it towards you, and that should remove it. And that's what I did for the other big piece, that the dual seat that we have here. Yep. So yep, this is what for the bigger piece as well. Just create a gap between the trim and then pull out, just like that. Just pull out, and that should be the easier one. Sliding is quite difficult, so that's how we remove the OEM floor mat to install our LASFIT. This is the first middle piece. You just place it over the floor, and does not get tucked underneath the trim. Yeah, this is what it looks like, the first piece. Now we have put in the second piece. It just sits next to it, and again the edges doesn't get tucked underneath the trim. I think that is one of the flaw of this mat, but the size and everything seems to be okay. The one is bulged out. Hopefully that should settle over time. And yeah, but this covers the majority of the mat, or majority of the floor. So reinstalling the seat, the easy way to do is to lay it close to the pins. As you see, those latch into that, and the same thing for the top ones. So lay it close and then slightly drop. So if one person is doing, if you align it correctly, you should be able to just drop it, and the both should click. Now time to install the third seat covers that goes on the back of the seats. So you would align like that, and these velcros are supposed to catch it, but as you see, this doesn't quite work the way you would expect. This is the most flimsy part of this whole set, that this doesn't just like stick. Here's me trying to align the holes, and regardless of however I tried, the pieces were not able to stick. As soon as I folded up the seat, it started to fall down. But if you plan to use your car with the seats the third floor down, I think this should fit nicely. You shouldn't have any problem. But I have it upright for my kids, and this will just fall down regardless, like how much velcro you try to place in. So the solution that I came up for this flimsy piece is to tie thread to the OEM mat like that. So this should at least avoid it from falling off. This is the most frustrating part. This is extremely flimsy. There is a velcro, but doesn't do its job of securing it to the mat. Floor. Make sure the third seat doesn't catches the mat. So in my case it did. So make sure that lever doesn't get caught in the in the floor mat. So yeah. So lastly, the last piece fit really nicely. It says LASFIT Liners. Yep, this looks good.